Good evening. It's a highly sensitive document which we're led to believe the government had hoped to keep under wraps, but it's out in the open now.
This is Channel 4. We are interrupting programs for a national emergency. Please await a message from the Prime Minister.
My fellow Britons, this is Prime Minister Robert George speaking. Nazi soldiers have entered London. They are killing residents, shooting up buildings and destroying everything. They have been spotted heading towards Buckingham Palace, where the King is currently staying. Please await further information.
This is a update. The Queen has been caught and is being held at gunpoint by the Nazis. There is nothing we can do. He will be killed at 7:16. A sad day for the United Kingdom. We will now play God Save the Queen.
God save our gracious Queen, long live our noble Queen. God save the Queen. Send her victorious, happy and glorious, long to reign over us. God save the Queen. Oh Lord our God, arise, scatter her enemies, and make them fall. Confound their politics, frustrate their knavish tricks.